Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel The Power of Excel. Let's say you're given this particular Excel sheet and you're asked to fill out the first name, last name from the full name, the email addresses, which is a combination of, let's say, the first name and the last name, as well as the initials, which is the first letters of the first name and the last name, and of course, and lastly, the phone number, which includes the last 10 digits of the phone number which is given to you. One way of doing it is you do it manually. Second way of doing it is you make use of certain functions. Third way of doing it is the use of a very beautiful and important tool in Microsoft Excel that is called as flash fill. So flash fill enables you to do this within a few seconds without actually spending so much time and energy on putting it down one by one or finding a formula in a function to come out with the first name, the last name, the email addresses, and initials and the phone number. So what we need to do in case of flash fill is to just enter the first row in that particular sheet so that Excel comes to know about kind of pattern we are expecting for the data to be filled in. So for example, if we have the name Karan Mehta, we will enter the first name as Karan, last name as Mehta, email address karan.mehta@abc.com, then initials say KM, and then the phone number, that is, let's say in this case 93397, we don't want the dashes there, 75967. We have entered the values for the first record. Now to use flash fill, there's a shortcut that is Ctrl+E, and we need to use the shortcut for each of the columns separately. So first we'll go to the first name, click on the cell where we have written Karan, and use Ctrl+E. As soon as you do that, you'll get a list of first names in that particular column. Same goes for last name. You click on Mehta, do Ctrl+E, and you'll get the last names in that particular last name column. Next, move to the email ID. Press Ctrl+E to get email addresses of all the names in the given table. Then moving to initials, again press Ctrl+E, get initials of all the names that are given in the sheet. And then lastly, you move to the phone number and press Ctrl+E separately. As you can see, what in a traditional setup, when in case you're not aware of the tools and functions of Excel, you might need to spend maybe on 10, 15, 20 minutes to do it. And this, in this case, has been done within a few seconds. Of course, we can make use of certain functions which can separate out first names and last names and also give us the initials and the phone numbers and all. But making that logic might take a bit of time. But this way, by making use of this flash fill, the magic of flash fill, you are able to not only save time, but also enhance your productivity. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.